Hello, beautiful people. We are starting a new path. Introduction to cybersecurity. We are 45% complete because it completed automatically from our first path, which was pre-security path. For today, introduction to offensive security, web application security. Introduction. Every one of us uses different programs on our computers. Generally speaking, programs run on our computers using our computer's processing power and storage. Moreover, to use a program, we need to install it first. What if we can use any program without installation? Here we can see a web application is like a program that can be used without installation as long as we have a modern standard web browser such as Firefox, Safari, Chrome. Consequently, instead of installing every program you only need to browse the related page. The following are some examples of web applications. Webmail such as Tutanota, ProtonMail, Outlook, and Gmail. Online office suites such as Microsoft Office 365, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and Zoho Office, Writer, Sheet, and Show. Online shopping such as Amazon, AliExpress, Etsy, and Etsy. Thousands more examples provide a myriad of services. Other examples include online banking, money transfer, weather, forecast, and social media. Here we can see a fake bank. The idea of a web application is that it is a program running on a remote server. A server refers to a computer system running continuously to serve the clients. In this case, the server will run a specific type of program that can be accessed by web browsers. Consider an online shopping application. The web application will read the data about the products and their details from a database server. A database is used to store information in an organized way. Examples include information about products, customers, and invoices. A database server is responsible for many functions, including reading, searching, and writing to the database. The online shopping web application might need more than one database to access. For example, products database. This database contains details about the products such as names, images, specifications, and price. Customers database. It contains all details related to customers such as names, address, emails, and phone numbers. Sales database. We expect to see what each customer has purchased and how they paid in this database. We can already see the amount of information stored in any online shopping system. Suppose an attacker manages to exploit, in other words, to hack the web application and steal the customer's database. In this case, this will lead to a significant loss for the company and its customers. The image below shows searching for an item on an online shopping site. In the simple version, the search will take 4 steps. Here we can see the high-level action when you try to buy something from a web page. We have here a laptop that uses a browser in order to access a web page that uses a shopping service. We find the item, we send the query to the online shopping web application. The online shopping web application accesses 3 web databases. The results from the database server will return to the web application and the web application will return the results to us. Actually, the user enters an item name or related keywords in search field. The web browser sends the search keywords to the online shopping web application. The web application queries or searches the product database for the submitted keywords. The product database returns the search results matching the provided keywords to the web application. The web application formats the results as a friendly web page and returns them to the user. What we saw in the high-level sketch. From the user's perspective, they will only access an elegant online shop where all the technical infrastructure is hidden. Here we can see the quote-unquote the backend process that we see above, online shop.TryHackMe. Pretty original. Many companies offer bug bounty programs. A bug bounty program allows the company to offer a reward for anyone who discovers a security vulnerability or a weakness in the company system. The main condition is that the found vulnerability is within the bug bounty scope and rules. Among many others, Google, Microsoft, and Facebook have bug bounty programs. Discovering a bug can earn you from a few hundred USDs to tens of thousands of USDs, depending on the severity of the vulnerability. That is the weakness you discover. Answer the question below. What do you need to access a web applicazione? A browseriona. A browser. Correct!